Hi, so today I want to do an exercise that supports the heart. In Chinese medicine, the heart is where the spirit lives, known as the Shen. And the spirit likes to live in a sense of peace and doesn't like to be overwhelmed by chaos and stress and anxiety, all the signs that your heart is out of balance. So we want to give a little extra support for the heart. And one way we can do that is by creating little boundaries here, creating little safe spaces for the heart. So we're going to do that on each side. We're going to go over to one side and then the other side. And we're going to do that so that we can create the space for the heart so that it can be safe and allow you to live the life that you're supposed to live without being overwhelmed by other people's energy. So we're going to do that to begin by working with an energy ball. So take your right hand and bring it right here at the heart, and your left hand's going to be right here at the navel. We're going to imagine we're holding a ball of light. Now that ball of light we're going to fill with color, and that color can be red like my shirt, it can be pink, it can be all the way down to white. And just get a sense of what would best support your heart today. And if you're feeling like you want a little protection, maybe on the softer side, if you want to get a little bit more chi, you can bring it more on the more vibrant side. So with the right hand on top, left hand below, and this energy ball between your hands, let's take a breath in. We're going to only breathe with the nose for this one, so let your tongue rest behind the upper front teeth. Close your mouth. We'll take a nice breath in through the nose. And as we exhale, bring that bottom hand up, that left hand, bring it up to the level of the forehead and push through with your right hand. So you're going to create a nice healthy boundary here to support the heart. Now we're going to collapse back down. We're going to inhale, bring the hands back through the center, still holding our ball. Exhale, and let's go over to the right side. This time your right arm is right here at the forehead and your left hand is here at the heart. Inhale, let's come back to the center. Exhale, let's push through. So we inhale and we exhale. Filling with color, releasing tension and protecting. Creating what we call safe supportive space, healthy boundaries. When we're working with people, we need healthy boundaries. We don't want to be overwhelmed, but we want certain things to get through to the heart, but other things we want to make sure that we're keeping them at bay. Inhale and exhale. Good. Filling up. Exhale, release. Filling up again. Exhale, release. Inhale and exhale. Good. Breathing in. We'll do one more here over on the left side. Inhale and exhale on the right. Let's come back to center. Take that ball of light, place it in your heart. Take a moment of pause and just let it soak in, giving you more support. Or a little bit more vibrancy if that's what you were looking for. And then bring the excess down to the belly. This is called our danshens, where we store our extra energy. And we're going to do 9 rotations here to lock it in. 9 in one direction. And 9 more in the opposite. Have a moment just to pause and breathe and feel that energy settle. And I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day. Take care.